Hi, everyone. I'm guiltygyoza, co-founder of Topology. We're going to talk about distributed real-time programs and what that means for the world. Imagine a world where AI agents coordinate directly with each other on the internet without intermediaries, where agents truly represent the user's interest and not those of the tech giants. This is the promise of distributed real-time protocols. It is a new internet protocol invented at Topology that enables real-time direct P2P interactions at scale and which complements blockchains to enable the construction of a much more impactful world computer. World computer and Ethereum. Ethereum has a special place in our industry, doesn't it? It is not the leader in technical superiority, nor does it lead in business efficiencies. Ethereum is special, we argue, because it has the most civic-aware community. At its core, Ethereum cares about the world deeply. Now, the world computer, while personal computer solves personal needs, the world computer should solve the important problems the world is facing. So what challenges does our world face today that we, the builders of decentralized systems, should aspire to tackle? The world is facing the danger of weakened public discourse and weakened democracy. Now, a few factors behind the problems are their explosive amount of information, there's increasing complexity of global problems, and the incentives of social media platforms favor tribalism over nuanced debate that are necessary for concession finding. Now, AI agents represent the potential of a massive change because it can process large amounts of information, and in theory, they could engage in sophisticated discourse on behalf of the citizens. But that requires a specific socio-technical structure where citizens operate agents that actually represent their interests and engage in free speech, instead of agents being controlled by big industrial monopolists. In other words, we need a direct P2P protocol for inter-agent interaction. Actually, blockchain originally wanted to run directly peer-to-peer. Bitcoin's original vision is peer-to-peer electronic cash. Ethereum also attempted direct peer-to-peer interaction in its early days. Remember the Mist browser? They ran Ethereum full nodes in the browser instances on user machines. However, Mist was sunsetted in 2019, partly because Ethereum operates on global consensus, making the full nodes heavy and unwieldy for in-user machines to operate. Today, the vast majority of blockchain users interact with the blockchain as a fat server. For its users, blockchains is the middleman. It is the intermediary. DRP is a new internet protocol invented at Topology. It enables real-time direct P2P interactions by dropping consensus mechanism. DRP nodes are extremely lightweight. They can run within browser tabs and also browser extensions. They're able to run peer-to-peer programs at real-time speed because, number one, they avoid consensus overhead completely by operating on causal consistency. And number two, each of these P2P programs is its own shard running among its P2P overlay, where only the nodes that are interested in the program participate in the overlay. In the world where there is a sufficiently powerful AI model in everyone's smartphone, we are going into a reality where there will be a tremendous amount of AI agents that are separated by the internet. So DRP allows these agents to communicate and coordinate directly at scale and in real time. And what does that unlock? First, agents can coordinate over DRP to negotiate price points of digital assets, physical goods, and services. This creates a new kind of commerce, efficient and sophisticated P2P commerce. Number two, DRP can enable massively open virtual worlds where agents create dynamic drama and emergent storytelling. And finally, and most urgently, agents on DRP can participate in long-form conversations on behalf of the citizens about public policies. They can run election polls, run simulations to forecast societal impacts, which strengthen our public discourse. We argue this is the missing piece of the DAO dream. So in short, DRP enables free speech for AI agents. Combined with blockchains, we believe that DRP will empower the world computer to solve the world's most pressing problem. Thank you.
Yeah, and with